Lara and Kate Boutique is marketed as a stylish women's fashion boutique. But the real question is it actually a legit boutique or another drop-shipping style online store hiding behind a polished story? Now, to be fair, stores like this often do ship real products. The website presentation, boutique styling, and curated fashion aesthetic are designed to look trustworthy and premium. What it does well, the boutique branding feels personal. Like many modern fashion stores, Lara and Kate Boutique appears to lean into emotional storytelling and small boutique identity marketing. The clothing style is trendy and appealing. The collections focus on feminine boutique fashion, relaxed dresses, and social media-friendly styling, where it raises concerns. The family boutique story may be marketing heavy. This is the biggest red flag. Many online boutiques today use emotional founder stories involving mothers, daughters, couples, or retirement sales to create trust quickly. Independent reputation is very limited. There is little strong third-party evidence showing Lara and Kate Boutique is a long-established, verified local boutique brand. Quality complaints are common with similar stores. Trustpilot reviews for very similar Kate and boutique-style fashion stores repeatedly mention poor fabric quality, inaccurate product photos, and long shipping times. So, is Lara and Kate Boutique real or fake? Short answer, probably a real operating e-commerce store, but potentially another high-risk dropshipping style boutique. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.